How to buy an Amazon Prime membership. So here I'm on the official Amazon website. I've logged into my account. Once you've been logged in, you want to hover over this section and you will see memberships and subscriptions. Click on that and it's going to load up a new page like so. You want to find Prime Video here from the subscription section. So click on Prime Video. It's going to ask you to log in with your account information. So I will just do that real quick and we will proceed. Okay, I will just pause. Now it's going to look a little something like this. If you don't have a subscription, it's going to tell you right here you don't have a subscription to Prime Video. So you want to click on sign up. Now it's going to ask you for your credit card details and you will begin your 7-day trial. So here just input your card details and afterwards, after the 7-day trial has expired, then you will get charged, and essentially after you put in your card details you will have purchased a Amazon Prime subscription. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.